Hello, good morning everybody. So I welcome you all for our summer camp. So today is the first week of our summer camp and the theme of the week is STEAM. So today in STEAM we are going to learn different topics. We are going to explore different topics. So today is our first day of the week and today's topic is science. So today I am here with one activity. We are going to do one activity. We are going to prepare a chemical reaction card we are going to prepare. Okay. So let's begin. We will go to our workstation. So now first we will check the material required for making the chemical reaction card. So we have given you the cardboard, you need a scissor, and we have given you the Fevibond, we have given you the straw, bamboo sticks, and we have given the acid, baking soda, citric acid, then and a sellotape. We have given you a bottle, and we have given you the cardboard. Okay, so I'm having this bottle caps. So it's, if you are having available at home the bottle caps, so you can also try with this bottle caps, or you can try with or you can do it with the cardboard. Okay, and the pencil Fevicol. So now we will start with our session. So we are going to make a card. With this bottle we are going to make a card. For that we have to first make this bottle empty. So you can see the bottle is empty. I poured all the water in this glass. Now I'm going to keep the glass aside. Okay, so now first we are going to make a wheel. Okay, for this is a bottle, and with the help of this bottle we are going to make a car, and for car first we are going to make a wheel. So for wheel I'm having this bottle caps. So you can also do it, you can also draw a wheel on a cardboard with the help of this bottle cap. Okay, with the help of this bottle cap you can make a circle and you can cut it. Okay, and if you are having available the bottle caps at home, so you can also try with this bottle cap. So now you have to take a straw, and you have to take a bamboo stick, and you have to put it here inside the straw, and this straw you have to crunch it from the middle. You have to cut it from the middle. So you can see here I cut this straw from the middle, and it should be in equal size. Okay, in equal size it should be. And now you have to cut this straw also. So the straw should be greater, 1 inch greater than the straw. This bamboo stick should be 1 inch greater than the straw. Okay, same for this also you have to do it. It should be 1 inch greater. Okay, so the bamboo stick should be same for this also. The size should be same. So you have to cut it, and note that parental guidance should be required while using scissor or any sharp objects. Okay, now I have taken this bottle cap. So I have given you the nuts. You can see here are the nuts. So now you have to apply this, you have to paste these nuts on your bottle cap. So for that we have given you the Fevibond. So you have to just lightly apply on the net, and you have to paste it here in the middle. and allow it to dry for around 5 to 10 minutes. For all the cap you have to do it. And if you are doing on a cardboard, so you have to stick on the wheel of the cardboard in the middle. Okay, so here allow it to dry for some time, for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so you can see here, these are the wheels. So I apply these nuts on the wheel in the middle. So now wait for 10 to 15 minutes to dry. So you can see here it is almost dry. Now this straw and this bamboo stick you have to stick here in the middle of the nut. So with the help of this Fevicol, you have to apply slightly here in the middle. And you have to put a straw here. And then you have to put a you have to put a straw here. And then another wheel you have to paste it here. Okay, for that again you have to apply the Fevicol. And now you need to wait for 15 to 20 minutes to let this dry. Okay, you have to hold it for around 5 to 10 minutes like this, and then you have to keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes for dry. You can see here, same I have prepared for the another wheel also. Okay, so just hold it for 5 minutes and then leave it for 10 minutes so that it will get dry. So now the next step, what you have to do, this essence you have to put here, you have to paste it here on the bottle. Okay, on the bottom side of the bottle. So with the help of this sellotape you have to paste it. Now so with the help of sellotape you have to paste it in both the sides. You can see here our car is ready. Okay, so now the next one, here at the front side of the cap you have to make a hole. So you can make with the help of pencil also. So you have to make a hole on here. You can see here I have made here the hole. So now the next step, our car is ready. So now you have to take a 100 ml water, and we have given you the acid, citric acid. So you have to put this all acid in this water. And it should be dissolved, all the acid should be dissolved in the water. Okay, so you have to mix it. Okay, so mix it properly so that it will dissolve into the water. And now you have to take a tissue paper. So you have to take a half tissue paper. Even from this half tissue paper, again you have to make it half, and then you have to add baking soda. You can have a baking soda. Now you have to fold it, this tissue paper with baking soda, you have to fold it, you have to roll it. And you have to fold it from both the sides. Okay, and here you can see it is almost dissolved. The citric acid is almost dissolved in the water. Now you have to pour it here into the water. Okay. Now I'm going to put this tissue paper with soda into this bottle, and then it will get combined with this acid solution, and see what will happen.